Welcome to Mac and PC Prime Video. In this video, I will show you how to remove and replace the battery for an HP EliteBook 840G3, G5, G6. Tools needed. To turn the laptop on the other side, I want you to unscrew all these screws. Please note the screws don't come off so they stay in the back cover. So with this tool, I want you to tilt the laptop insert at the edge. So just put it inside. Why don't you lift up the back cover, put your finger in between there and gently lift up the back cover. It will come off just like this. So this is your battery. Loosen the two captive P1 Phillips head. Screws that secure the battery to the top cover. Use the Mylar pull tab to lift the battery up, disconnecting it from the system board. Lift and remove the battery from the notebook. Now, to insert a new battery replacement like this, align and gently press the battery into its compartment in the top cover. Tighten the two captive P1 Phillips head screws to secure the battery to the top cover. All you got to do now is put the back cover back home, pin all the screws, and drop down. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.